Hello, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A17 with Exynos CPU, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can bypass the Google account verification. Okay, as you can see, we are doing the setup process and we have the Google account verification. We have factory resetted our device through recovery mode, but we still don't remember the Google account, the password and the mail. And now let me tell you and show you what to do. But let's discuss a few things. First thing is, please only try to unlock your devices, in no other case someone else's, because that's a crime and that's also unethical. Second thing is that our phone needs to have the security update until May 2026. If you don't know what security patch you have, let me show you how you can check it. To do it, we gotta enter recovery mode, and we need to have the USB-C cable that is also connected to our computer as well. And now, I highly recommend to use the original Samsung cable. If you don't have it, of course you can use a different good quality USB-C cable that supports sending the data. Then connect your phone to your computer, and now we need to enter recovery mode. We gotta hold power key and volume down at the same time until the screen turns off, and when it does, start holding power key and volume up until you see the Samsung logo. Let's do it again. Keep holding. Now, power key and volume up, and when you see the Samsung logo, release the power key but keep holding volume up. Thanks to that, we will launch the recovery mode. And in here we have our software version, in here where I'm pointing at. Now, based on the base of the software, we'll be able to check what security patch we have. To do it, we gotta launch the browser. Let me only switch the camera. Okay. Okay, I was streaming from the wrong monitor, my bad. Now, open up a new tab, and you gotta visit this page, samfw.com. Now, in the search box, you gotta type your model. It's A176B. Okay, then select it. Then keep scrolling down. From the list, pick your country or type it. In my case, I'm using the European version, so I'll select EUX. And then keep scrolling down, and in here we have all software versions. My is BYK3, this one, and as you can see, the security patch is from November 2025, so it will fully work. Okay, so once we know what security patch we have based on our software version, we can go forward. In here, visit our page, HardReset.Info. While on the phone, you can select reboot system now and confirm by clicking the power button. You gotta go to download section, and in here type Samsung drivers, click on search, wait until it loads, select Samsung drivers and hit the download button. Then go back to the main page, and on the search bar add slash and type FRP tool ranking, just like that, and then click on enter. We are going to use the EFT Pro software, and as you take a look, this it's not completely for free. You gotta pay for that $10 a month, but you can unlock the unlimited amount of devices. You gotta go in here and make the payment to go forward. Then you will get your key, activation key to the software. And it's still much cheaper than in any other service place where they unlock devices. So I think that it's pretty worth it. Okay, now click on the name of the EFT Pro software, scroll down a little bit, and click on direct download. But before you do it, you need to turn off your antivirus. I'm using the Windows Defender, so I gotta go into virus and threat protection, then manage settings, and for now we need to turn off the real-time protection. Don't worry, this app is not a threat or anything like that. Basically, every FRP tool app is recognized by the antivirus as a threat, so that is why for now we gotta turn it off. Now we can click on direct download. Okay. Then go to the downloads folder on your computer, and in here we have Samsung drivers and our software. Now extract those two files. I'm using WinRAR, right click, WinRAR, and extract to. If you are using a different app, of course you can use it, or you can click on extract all and extract, and it will also fully work. Then open up the folder with the Samsung drivers, double click, and install the Samsung drivers. Click on yes. Click on next, next, and install. It's going to take a little bit, but not that long, after 3 minutes I think, so now we just gotta be patient until it's finished. For now we can also unplug the cable from our phone. We won't be needing it for now. Let's keep waiting until our Samsung drivers are installed. Okay, it has finished. And also, if you're installing the Samsung drivers for the first time, I highly recommend to restart the computer after the first installation, so thanks to that everything will work properly. Because if you don't restart, it may not work on the first try. So have that in mind. Now we can power off our device because we gotta enter the download mode. So hold the power key and volume down and click on power off. Now launch the FRP tool app, update 108, and launch EFT Pro. Okay, we have our program. And also, to enter download mode on our phone, we gotta again have the USB-C cable that is connected to our computer, and now hold both volume keys at the same time, keep holding and insert the cable, but don't release volume keys. Keep holding until you see a menu, just like that, and then click on volume up. Now we are in download mode. Now from the list, select Samsung Exynos, it's right in here, but if you don't see it, click on Samsung on the left side, go to FRP, and then select Samsung Exynos Auto Mode, one click. Now, our phone is connected, so we just gotta click on Start. Click on OK. As you can see, it has started. Of course, during the whole process, you cannot unplug the cable. Simply keep waiting until the software does the job. Don't do anything, keep waiting, it's not finished yet. Our device has turned on, but don't do anything. Okay, and now we can see the sentence FRP wiped successfully, okay, and that means that it has finished, so we can unplug the cable. Now let's wait until the phone turns on. I'll show that everything has been successfully removed. And also, after we get through the setup, we need to perform one more factory reset, but this time through the settings. After this last reset, everything will be fully erased. I'm talking about Google verification, all protections, etc., etc. And after the last reset, everything will be fully okay and everything will be fully removed. So now let's wait until the phone turns on. Let me actually go to the full screen and we'll go through the setup. You can now close the EFT program. And now click on Start. Click on OK. Next. Next. Set up manually. Next. Actually, we can turn off the Wi-Fi, so it will be much faster now. As you can see now, we can actually skip the Wi-Fi. With the FRP, it's impossible. Click on More, Accept, Agree, Next. Next, Home. And now, as you can see, device has been unlocked, but let's perform that one last reset through the settings. I highly recommend to do it. General Management, Reset, Factory Data Reset. Reset and delete all. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.